Good morning, guys. What is up? Welcome to the New Age Wall Street TGIF live stream. We do this every Friday where we trade live together. You could come in. We're going to do a pre market plan here in a second, and we'll go ahead and jump right in. And we'll go ahead and get to it, guys. Yeah, welcome. So if you guys don't know, my name is Cruz. I am the founder, head mentor, whatever you want to call it, of New Age Wall Street. We trade options, small caps. We trade Pokemon cards if there's money in it. Um, but yeah, so um, we'll go ahead and jump right in, guys. So don't forget to make sure you comment, like, subscribe for me, guys. I do definitely appreciate it. It means a lot. I see all the new people, all the new followers, things like that. Oh man, I'm messing up all kinds here. Yeah, there you go. There's the like, comment, subscribe button. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. But yeah, appreciate you guys see all the new people following, everything. So definitely happy and excited to go ahead and get going. Let's go ahead and jump right in, guys. We're gonna go ahead and look at some tickers here. So yesterday, we had the SPY, right? So just as the overall market sentiment of what we're looking at, um, morning in FX. Um, so we're looking at the SPY yesterday, and we came up here to this 295 level, which was pretty nice. We had a nice or actually we faded down from that area is what I mean to say. So we faded down, and we're right now we're at this resistance line of the 284 or so, 285. I'm kind of neutral right now on the way that we're gonna go. So we may just range a little bit more, but we're still kind of trending pretty well right here. Um, so I'm pretty neutral on actually the way that the market's gonna go. So if we get a bounce, great. We'll go ahead and get a bounce, come up. If we break, we'll go ahead and grab some puts overall for things that for the sentiment for it to come down. Um, all right, one see here. All right, so the first ticker that we're gonna go ahead and look at, guys, is gonna be Amazon. So yesterday after the close, Amazon had earnings. Um, so it was at the high right here at 24.75, and now we're at this 23.50. So if we break this level right here, 2300, or start moving back below it, we should get some pretty nice downside to come back down. So this is what I'm watching here today. To be able to watch that, if you were able to get some lottos on this, you may get some really nice action on the you may get some really good action here on Amazon. So I'm looking for puts on Amazon, maybe a little spike up, and for it to continue on further. Um, but again, we'll wait for confirmation and to be able to take the trade. So um, one second here, I forgot to do my updated tweet. There we go. Now I got the tweet out there. So good morning, guys, in the room. Dap, good morning, bro. Ashton, what up? Nice to see you guys. The screen share is on YouTube. Like I said, we're gonna be rolling there. Um, the other one that I'm looking at here, guys, is probably gonna be. I wanted to get calls on Nvidia yesterday, guys. So kind of towards where it was holding this fib line right here, and for it to fade back up, but then it broke down here towards the close. So I just left it alone. So luckily I did. So uh, excuse me. So that I just left it alone, and now we're kind of gapped down. So if the market continues to come down, I'll go ahead and grab puts here on Nvidia as well. Um, so we have some room right here towards 280, 280, yeah, 278 or so from this resistance line that we have right here. All right, and one that I'm kind of keeping on here. So it gapped in the morning, like it had some strong momentum in the morning, and then it faded the rest of the day. So I'm still looking at BYND, guys. So right here, so we're kind of so if we hold this pre-market lows right here, and then it starts pushing up again, that'd be pretty cool. So there's some 110 calls that are expiring today that they wanted to go up. So we'll see how BYND does too. So um, give me a second. All right. Let's see. I need another one of these. All right. Is there any tickers you guys want to go over? You have any questions or anything? Roku. All right. So they will. So you want to go over Roku, and so we're getting a pretty nice little bottoming support here, dude. This 118 or so. Uh, yeah. So at the bottom of this range. So um, so we also got this like descending triangle kind of formation here. So I think we were talking about this before. So high, then lower high right here again. So if this breaks the 118 or 117.50 or so where this fib line is, you could grab some puts from the downside right here. If it holds, right, so if you see that it's holding around in this area, and it sets up, you could go ahead and grab calls there, um, market permitting as well, right? So um, May wanna keep Tesla on watch today. We may get some nice range on Tesla. So does that make sense? G, good morning, bro. What up? Alberto, good morning, dude. I have a feeling that we may go up today, but like I said, well, it's part of staying money biased, so um, we'll play the action. Oh, it's also the first of the month today, guys. Happy May. Or that sounds dumb, dude. Welcome to May. I don't know, dude. But um, yeah, dude. I'm really freaking excited. April was a bitch. We were like on April 64th already, dude. So I told my girl off yesterday, kind of, cause she's all weird about the quarantine thing, and I'm just like, I'm not gonna talk to her, bro. I got other options, and now she's calling, telling me good morning or texting. Good morning, guys. If you guys are just tuning in here for the New Age Wall Street guys, welcome. I definitely appreciate you guys. We're gonna go ahead and get into. I already kind of covered the stocks and everything. That was pretty quick. This morning there's not a whole lot going on. I don't know if Alberto, you have some small caps you want to share, bro. Yeah, I'm just kind of salivating over Amazon, guys. So that'll be my main watch. Let me hit the scan here to watch. If you guys aren't if you guys are paying for a scanner, you guys are absolutely nuts, dude. I could get you a custom coded scanner if you guys want. just let me know, and we'll go ahead and get it coded for you. Um, it may cost you a little bit if you're not in my chat room. For my members, I'll give it to you guys for free, obviously. But I got my scanner right here, guys. Um, but yeah, that's a benefit to my members. If you guys want the scanners, we could go and give it. This is for small caps though, so it's mostly if you want to trade small caps. Um, yeah. Oh, there goes the spy. Is trying to break this resistance here. And real quick, guys, I'm sure a lot of you have seen my. There you go, Dab. Yeah, they look. So there's a little bit of bottoming here, and looks like some push up. Doesn't look like doesn't. It looks kind of weak, dude. Nvidia doesn't look like it's gonna push up. But Tesla, dude, we may get some upside here, dude, from 760 to at least 780. That would be pretty nice. Oh, what I was gonna do, guys. Quick shameless plug. So I am affiliated with Flow Algo. So what you guys see here on the side, right here. So this is Flow Algo. This shows you where the smart and big money is positioning themselves in the market. So it covers multi-exchange sweeps, block orders, iceberg and dark pool, equity orders. Also gives you trade ideas here in the bottom. It's a very awesome, very great tool to go ahead and have, and I believe it's very underpriced. So you could start it. It's a 2 week trial for only like $37. I have a link if in my website. So if you go to my website newagewallstreet.com, um, then there's a purple banner on there. You click that, and then you'll go ahead and be able to download the flow or get access to the flow algo. But even then, after that, it's $150 a month if you pay monthly. It's even cheaper if you pay quarterly or yearly. And it's worth its weight in gold, guys. It's absolutely great. I paid for a year membership on it, like on the first week that I got it. So I didn't even wasn't even a full member or whatever yet, and I'd already got paid for it or whatever. So I definitely do advocate for them. I do recommend them. So if you guys do not have Flow Algo yet, we'll go ahead and use it today. So there should be some pretty nice plays and sweeps that come in, and I'll explain how it goes ahead and comes through today. Yeah, BYND, dude, is what we were talking about a little while ago. So so BYND. So if we start holding, or were you just alerting me? Oh yeah, see there it goes. So yeah, so BYND at the open, maybe for a dip and rip setup, would be pretty nice. So um, yeah, there's some open. So if you're looking here on the flow algo on BYND, so there's open interest right here at 110. So a lot of 110s right here. Some 120s as well, 130s. So this is all today as expiration. So probably gonna be one of my main watches. BYND as for some momentum right at the open, dude. And then if we go over AMD, what's your plan on AMD, Mike? Apple's pretty good too, dude. Apple had earnings yesterday, so should should get some range out of Apple. to hold 50 even. Uh, so I like the idea there, Mike. So Mike said he wants to have we're looking at AMD, so he wants it to hold 50 in order for it to go up. I think 50-50 would be a little bit better right here. Dude, 50-35 is this low, 50-30, 50-50 right here if it holds. That's a little bit better. So if it gets towards 50, yes, absolutely you want it to hold 50 right here, right? Anything below that, yes, definitely grab puts. But if it holds and to go ahead and go up, absolutely. It's been kind of weak the last couple days though, so a lot of weakness showing on it. You're playing the Qs, Deb? Yeah. Let's have a quick poll, guys. What do you think the low of day on Amazon is gonna be? The dip and rip plays? Yeah, dude. It's a lot of so you gotta have a set risk, dude. You gotta trust yourself to be able to take it off if it breaks your support. Because the volatility at the open is pretty. It's it's uh it's a bitch, bro. So if you get caught there and you're just like kind of deer in the headlights, that as soon as your support breaks, it doesn't work. You got to be able to get out of your trade when it breaks and be okay with it because of the volatility. What'll happen is it may just shoot right back up in your favor. Right now, Dab, as far as the dip and rips too, you want something that shows some momentum, dude. So yeah. Just in pre-market. So like we want to see some pretty good. Oh, there goes Amazon, bro. Wait for me, Amazon. Dipping shit. Pedro, good morning. Eric, good morning, guys. What up? Yeah, dude, it was a little bit rough for me to wake up today again. I didn't want to go to the gym last night. I went to the gym last night, obviously, and I didn't want to go, and then I went, and I just beat the shit out of myself, dude. Oh, I didn't even realize you guys could see my gun on the wall. Oops. I hope I don't get in trouble. One second, guys. I'll be right back. All right. Dude, that was the bell? What the fuck? I didn't even know we were that close to the bell. Are you freaking serious? Right as soon as I said I was gonna. I didn't even realize, bro. No one even told me nothing. 23. All right, guys. So I got some. Taking a look here. That really frazzled me, bro. Like I wasn't expecting that. I didn't think we were that close, dude. Oh, there goes BYND, guys. Pretty much the plan. I missed the entry on BYND, dude.
2,500 calls. June 19th, 2020. 300 contracts.
There goes the spile, strong as hell, dude. I felt like so unprepared now. All right, so I'm watching Amazon right here towards this 2360, guys. And then Nvidia with a nice dip here and
205
dip and go.
calls. May 15th, 2020.
Ooh, we forgot Facebook
293 contracts.
and Tesla too, guys. Tesla's running up pretty nice. Dude, I can't believe I forgot Facebook.
DIS. 110 calls. May 8th, 2020. 340 contracts. AAL. 10 puts. May 15th, 2020. 690 contracts.
MDGS, what happened, bro?
LBS. 50 calls. June 19th, 2020. 529 contracts. VA. 141 calls. May 8th, 2020. 313 IVR. 3 puts. May 15th, 2020. 819 contracts.
So Amazon is looking pretty heavy up here towards the 2360, 2350 area. So I want it to go down, but it's holding pretty good. Let's trying to be patient here. BUND is still looking good for the upside, guys.
CCL 15 puts. May 1st, 2020. 851 contracts.
Okay, come on, Amazon.
USO. 16 puts. June 19th, 2020. 3,000 contracts. AAL. 10 puts. May 15th, 2020. 626 IWM. 122 puts. June 19th, 2020. 3,661 contracts.
That was a nice push here on the SPY, guys, and now we're breaking down. Um, so don't like. I'm not absolutely in love with anything as of yet. Um, so just being patient here for entries.
IWM 122 puts. June 19th, 2020. 5 rig. 1 calls. June 19th, 2020. 750 contracts. Uber 30 calls. May 15th, 2020. 3001 contracts. X8 calls. May 8th, 2020. 639 contracts. Uber 30 calls. May 15th, 2020. 3815. Baba 185 puts. May 15th, 2020.
How do the spread on these is like all messed up on Amazon, guys. My puts right here. How do I sell on the damn ass? Dude, the spread's fucked up, dude.
AMD 52 calls. May 15th, 2020. 500 contracts.
AMD's looking good right here, guys. So you guys that were asking for AMD, and then so I even gave you a second chance entry right here at 5150. So yeah.
X8 calls. May 8th, 2020. 2,341 contracts.
I think we're gonna get to like 2300 on Amazon, guys. At least there. Gotta break this 2320 though so far. Yeah, it's a lot of support right here at 2320 or so on Amazon. So my profit target would be 2274 holistically. I would love for it to get there. We'll see. Richard, good morning, bro. How you doing, bro? You're still holding Netflix from yesterday or what? Damn, bro. What was the price that you got in? From 418? Awesome, dude. It's freaking going right now. I forgot to even pull it up today. You may get 430 on it, bro. That sucked. Right now, Richard, I was like, oh, I'll be right back. I was gonna go grab some water, and then the bell freaking went off as soon as I left my desk.
Easy. 56 calls. May 8, 2020. 699 contracts.
Amazon almost looks exactly like the Spy, dude. It's nuts.
USO. 17 puts. June 19th, 2020.
Yeah, dude.
70 contracts.
So we got like this. If you guys are seeing what I'm seeing here on, I'll show what I'm trading here. So Amazon, we got this nice bear flag right here, down bear flag. See if we continue lower here. If not, I'll just go ahead and get out. It's fine. BYND again, guys.
Erie. 30 calls. June 19th, 2020. 1,000 contracts. RF 10 puts. May 15th, 2020. 844 contracts. CCL 13 puts. May 8th, 2020. 930 contracts.
So this 2320 is going to be pretty. 2320 to 2325 is going to be pretty hard support for Amazon here. So just waiting. There goes MDGS, Alberto.
10 puts. June 19th, 2020. 845 contracts. CCL 13 puts. May 8th, 2020. 1,944 contracts.
Oh man. Did anyone take the BYND trade?
BA. 142 puts. May 15th, 2020.
Cool, Mike.
TSN. 58 puts.
What time did you
May
get
8th,
in, dude?
2020. 500 contracts.
No, what time? Dude, Facebook was the move, dude. I missed it.
JD. 46 calls. June 19th,
43.
2020. 1,100 and X8 calls. May 8th, 2020.
That's pretty good right there, bro.
612 contracts. AAL. 8 puts. June 19th, 2020. 4,266 contracts.
Netflix was a better move than what? Than Facebook? Yeah, I mean, it's double the price, so you get a little bit more range. 416 to 423, so $7 compared to 6 so far the other way. So we may start get signals here on Amazon to go to
2020.
get calls to go up. So
676 break slash B 185 puts. May 15th, 2020. 960 contracts.
spies are actually playing to my resistance line right here, my pretty well. So
NFLX. 440 calls. May 15th, 2020. 299 contracts. SQ70 calls. May 15th, 2020. 500 contracts.
on Facebook, you mean? Or I mean Netflix. So Richard said he liked the setup on the 3 and 5 minute on Netflix. Yeah, dude, it was really nice, a nice play, dude. It's hardly any volume pre-market though, kind of suck. I want to see that big wash here on Amazon. There we go. There we go.
NFLX. 375 puts.
Oh, nice wash of hair on the spy, guys. There we go, Amazon. Yeah, nail and bail, Mike. Nail and bail. That's the name of the game. Especially on Fridays, you don't want to get caught with your finger up your butt on a Friday, dude. Right, Richard? Thank you, Orc. I appreciate that, bro.
292 puts. May 15th, 2020. 1000 G. 6 puts. May 15th, 2020. 1010 contracts.
I'm in Amazon, dude. Like, but the spreads are so fucked up in it, dude. Like,
HTZ. 3 puts.
my
May 8th,
P&L is jumping
2020.
like thousands, dude.
1000
Like a
contracts.
lot. Puts, bro.
HTZ. 3 puts. May 8th, 2020. 1181 contracts.
In May, dude. I have a little fib line here at 2308, exactly where it came to. So we'll see. We got count nerd dots on it on the 1 minute. So this is what you, if you're got short right here, this is what you don't want to be able to, what you don't want to see if you're short. So we lost the volatility to the downside. So we'll see what happens though.
Baba. 160 puts. November 20th, 2020. 500 contracts.
You mean SPY to break up to the outside? It's kind of just ranging right now, so it kind of sucks. Are you still holding Netflix?
BFYT. 25 puts. May 15th, 2020.
Got out.
500 contracts. 125 calls. May 1st, 2020. 116 contracts. SQQQ. 12 calls. May 22nd, 2020. 2,539 contracts.
Nvidia right here, guys, to break this 284 at this resistance line where it was all pre-market. So if it holds, go ahead and grab calls. If it breaks below right here, which it looks like it's going to break below, grab puts.
IVR. 2 puts. May 15th, 2020. 849 contracts. GSX. 40 puts. May 15th, 2020. 350 contracts.
Oh man, kind of screwed myself on the Amazon trade, guys. It was dude, the spread was fucked on it, dude. Yeah, it's
NL.
going to, bro.
3 puts. May 15th, 2020. 1,277 contracts. AAPL.
What
250
strike did you
calls.
get, Richard?
May 1st, 2020. 250 AAPL. 295 calls. May 8th, 2020. 208 contracts.
All right, guys. So right now, like I flipped my position here from Amazon puts, and like I said, I was getting fucked here on the spread. So the
contracts.
calls are better though, and um, I'm holding some calls right now, guys. I'm down pretty good on the day. So um, at this point, I'm just trying to minimize the loss. If I could come close to green, then I'm cool.
X8 calls. May 15, 2020. 1074 contracts.
Dude, BYND has been nice, dude. It's a little volatile, those pullbacks that it has, but still holding Amazon, dude.
AAPL. 270 calls. May 8, 2020. 500 contracts. BNY. 57 puts.
I want
June
to see what
19,
happens at 2350
2020.
right here, Richard.
3,844 contracts. BNY. 57 puts. June 19, 2020. 5,000 contracts. AMZN. 2,330 calls. May 8, 2020. 294 contracts.
Yeah, that's where I have mine. That's where I have it, dude.
JNPR. 21 calls. May 8, 2020. 853 WFC. 30 calls. June 19, 2020. 1,000 contracts. Pins. 20 calls. May 15, 2020. 500 contracts.
So now what we're having on Amazon, guys. So you
X8
see how my
calls.
system works. This is something
May 15,
that
2020.
I show everyone here that you
1,017
guys could take this
contracts.
position all day long here on these Keltner dots, MACD cross. That's your signal to go ahead and start getting long there in that area. So if you take it like right here, this second candle 2313, you're up like 30 some dollars or something right now on Amazon. Um, right now, then this is my macro trend. So my macro trend that's right here. Whenever this cloud starts breaking
XLM.
above the zero line, this
44
shows
calls.
a macro
May 15,
bullish trend
2020.
has initiated. Um,
1,500
so we're getting a little
AAPL.
bit of pullback right now,
300
but
calls.
looking to
May
see
1st,
see it
2020.
get some support and then continue going
325
forward.
contracts. 305 calls. May 8, 2020. 500 contracts.
Dude, Apple is freaking sick. Did you get that NFX?
55 calls. May 8, 2020. 300 contracts. Dell. 28 calls. June 19, 2020. 814
Oh man.
contracts. AAPL. 295 calls. May 15, 2020. 500 contracts.
You're leaving, Richard? Yeah, I like that. I like that entry NFX. Later, Richard.
6. 35 calls. September 18, 2020. 804 contracts.
You gotta make a three strike rule, Mike. So if you trade a ticker three times and you get stopped out or shaken out, then you can't trade it no more.
EEM. 35 puts. May 8, 2020. 1068 contracts. Six. 35 calls. September 18, 2020. 1968 contracts.
The rest of you guys doing all right? G, Ashen, Mikal, Dab.
F5 puts. June 19, 2020. 579 contracts. AAL. 10 puts. May 8, 2020. 636 contracts. HTZ. 2 puts. May 8, 2020. 745 contracts. Net. 7 calls. May
Cool,
15,
Mikhail. How did
2020.
that go, bro?
888 contracts.
So you got in at what, 47.40, 47.20 or so? It is not easy, bro. That's a good way to put it, NFX. That's definitely a good way to put it. Another new low for the day? Are you wishing for another low for the day, or is it what? Oh, I was like, wait, what?
XOE. 50 puts. January 15, 2021. 900 contracts.
Hey, welcome to all the guys that are in here watching, guys. If you guys are from YouTube or where Facebook, wherever, guys, welcome. We are just having kind of a day here. Um, so just watching Amazon right here at this point. Um, but the spreads kind of screwed me. It's my own fault, I guess. Whatever.
1,300 puts. May 8, 2020. 123 contracts.
Now we're making lows here, Andrew.
AMD. 45 puts. October 16, 2020. 1,000 contracts. BP 22 calls. November 20th, 2020. 515 contracts. BABA. 210 calls. May 15, 2020. 504 contracts.
If you guys see any other plays or anything, call them out. We'll go ahead and take a look here together.
KNX. 35 puts. May 15, 2020. 1,000 contracts. FXI. 40 calls. September 18, 2020. 3,000 contracts.
Did you guys catch CAPR? Holy crap. Yeah, keeper. Biopharmaceutical company. How did I find them? It comes up on a scanner, bro. There's not even any flow coming in anymore. You could build it or you could pay for it. So there's one right here. You could just use FinViz. Yeah, finviz.com, bro.
Low. 32 calls. May 15th, 2020. 539 contracts. TIS. 105 puts. May 8th, 2020. 999 contracts.
All right, guys. For you guys on YouTube, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up here. We're about an hour into the trading day. Been on for an hour and a half for pre-market as well. I'm still holding some Amazon puts, guys. Like I said, I'm down right
75
now.
calls. May 8th,
But
2020.
still trying to just be patient, let it work out.
99 contracts.
Is there any questions, concerns from the YouTube crowd you want me to go over before I do wrap it up here?
Baba. 180 puts. June 19th, 2020. 1,000 contracts. Turn 55 puts. June 19th, 2020.
All right, guys. You guys have a great weekend. We're going to be here on Sunday for the Sunday Stock Talk. That'll be about 8 p.m. Market time if you guys want to go ahead and come join in. Other than that, though, guys, kind of a hard trading day, so a lot of people having a little bit of a hard time here. Um, but definitely wasn't easy. I think what threw me off too is me getting up from my chair, and I didn't know that the bell was gonna ring. So that was kind of dumb. And I try to just react to what was going on, and oh well, that's trading. But appreciate you guys. You guys have a great weekend. We'll see you guys on Sunday. All right.